Number 10. Sambalpur, located in the western part of Odisha, India, is a charming destination with a blend of history, nature, and culture, making it an appealing spot for travelers. The city is known for the famous Hirakud Dam, one of the longest dams in the world, which offers picturesque views and boating opportunities. For history enthusiasts, Sambalpur's ancient temples like Samalswari Temple and Huma Temple, situated on the banks of the Mahanadi River, offer a glimpse into the region's religious heritage. The city is also renowned for its handloom and textile industry, producing exquisite Sambalpuri saris with unique designs and patterns. Visitors can explore the local markets to buy these traditional hand-woven saris as souvenirs. Nature lovers can visit the nearby Ganteswari Temple, located amidst serene surroundings, and the lush green Hirakud Wildlife Sanctuary, which houses a variety of flora and fauna. Sambalpur's warm hospitality, delectable local cuisine, and vibrant festivals make it an enriching destination for travelers seeking an authentic experience of Odisha's rich cultural tapestry.
Number 9. Daringbadi, often referred to as the Kashmir of Odisha, is a breathtaking hill station nestled amidst the eastern Ghats of Odisha, situated at an altitude of around 3,000 feet above sea level. It offers a refreshing escape from the sweltering heat of the plains and boasts a pleasant climate throughout the year. The town is surrounded by dense forests, rolling hills, and coffee plantations, creating a picturesque landscape that is perfect for nature enthusiasts and trekking aficionados. Daringbadi is also home to numerous waterfalls, such as the Ludu waterfall and Putudi waterfall, which add to its scenic beauty. Travelers can enjoy the tranquil ambience of the coffee and pepper plantations, take leisurely walks amidst nature, and indulge in adventurous activities like trekking and camping. Daringbadi's indigenous tribal culture and handicrafts add a unique charm to the place, providing an opportunity for travelers to explore the local heritage. The breathtaking vistas, pleasant weather, and warm hospitality make Daringbadi an ideal destination for a serene and rejuvenating retreat in the lap of nature.
Number 8. Gopalpur, situated on the eastern coast of Odisha, is a quaint and serene beach town that offers a perfect getaway for travelers seeking a peaceful retreat. The town is known for its pristine golden sandy beach, lined with swaying palm trees, making it an ideal spot to relax and unwind. Gopalpuran Sea, as it is often called, was once a bustling seaport during the colonial era. Today, remnants of its past can still be seen in the form of old buildings and lighthouse, adding a touch of history to the place. The beach is relatively less crowded compared to other popular beach destinations, providing a tranquil ambience for leisurely strolls and beach combing. Travelers can also indulge in various water sports like surfing, sailing, and fishing. The nearby fishing village offers an authentic glimpse of the local way of life, and visitors can savor freshly caught seafood at the local eateries. Gopalpur's laid-back atmosphere, beautiful sunrises and sunsets over the Bay of Bengal, and the sound of the waves crashing against the shore make it an enchanting destination for those seeking a peaceful beach holiday.
Number 7. Simlipal National Park is a captivating wildlife sanctuary and tiger reserve located in the Mayurbhanj district of Odisha, India. Spread over a vast area of around 2,750 square kilometers, the park is renowned for its rich biodiversity and lush greenery. The park's diverse landscape includes dense forests, grasslands, waterfalls, and hills, providing a stunning backdrop for nature enthusiasts and wildlife lovers. Simlipal is home to a wide variety of flora and fauna, including tigers, elephants, leopards, deer, and numerous bird species, making it a paradise for wildlife safari and birdwatching. The picturesque Berhapani and Jorinda waterfalls within the park are a treat to behold. Trekking and nature walks are popular activities here, allowing visitors to explore the wilderness and enjoy the serene surroundings. For travelers seeking an immersive experience, Simlipal offers eco-friendly accommodations in the form of forest rest houses and eco-cottages. It's important to note that the park is generally closed during the monsoon season for safety reasons, so planning a visit during the dry months is advisable to fully enjoy the beauty and wildlife of Simlipal National Park.
Number 6. Ragurajapur is a picturesque heritage crafts village located in the Puri district of Odisha, renowned for its exquisite traditional art forms and cultural heritage. The village is famous for its Patachitra paintings, an ancient form of scroll painting depicting mythological tales and folklore, executed with intricate details and vibrant colors. The village is also known for its palm leaf engravings, stone and wood carvings, and unique handicrafts. Travelers can witness skilled artisans at work, creating masterpieces that have been passed down through generations. Ragurajapur's quaint lanes adorned with beautiful murals and the peaceful ambience offer an authentic rural experience. Visitors can interact with local artists, learn about their art forms, and even try their hand at creating artwork under their guidance. In addition to art, Ragurajapur hosts traditional dance and music performances during festivals, providing a glimpse into the vibrant cultural heritage of Odisha. A visit to Ragurajapur promises a fascinating journey into the world of traditional art and crafts, offering travelers an enriching and immersive cultural experience.
Number 5. Konark, the former capital of Odisha, is a vibrant city with a rich historical and cultural heritage. Located on the banks of the Mahanadi River, it is often referred to as the Silver City due to its historical association with the silver filigree work. For travelers interested in history and architecture, Konark boasts several ancient temples and monuments, such as the Barabati Fort, Kadamirasul Mosque, and the Katak Chandi Temple, which are worth exploring. The city is famous for its Durga Puja celebrations, which attract thousands of visitors during the festive season. The silver filigree work, intricately crafted jewelry, and handloom textiles are popular souvenirs for art and craft enthusiasts. Konark is also known for its delectable street food, offering a variety of local delicacies that must be savored. With its bustling markets, cultural landmarks, and lively festivals, Konark provides travelers with a delightful blend of history, art, and authentic experiences that showcase the essence of Odisha's cultural richness.
Number 4. Chilika Lake, situated in the eastern state of Odisha, is the largest brackish water lagoon in Asia and one of the most important wetlands in the world. Spanning an area of over 1,100 square kilometers, the lake is a haven for biodiversity and a paradise for birdwatchers. The lake's shallow waters and numerous islands attract a vast array of migratory birds, making it a designated Ramsar site and a wildlife sanctuary. Winter months, especially from November to February, witness the arrival of thousands of migratory birds, including flamingos, pelicans, herons, and many more. Travelers can take boat tours to explore the lake's serene beauty, watch playful Irrawaddy dolphins, and visit the picturesque islands, such as Kalajay and Nalabana, which are home to fishing communities and offer breathtaking views. Chilika Lake's ecological significance, coupled with its stunning landscapes and diverse avian population, makes it a must-visit destination for nature lovers and birdwatching enthusiasts alike.
Number 3. Bhubaneswar, the capital city of Odisha, is a vibrant metropolis that seamlessly blends its ancient cultural heritage with modern development. Known as the City of Temples, Bhubaneswar boasts an impressive collection of over 700 ancient temples, each showcasing exquisite architectural styles and intricate carvings. The city's most prominent temples include the Lingaraj Temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva, the Mutteshwar Temple with its unique arched gateway, and the Rajarani Temple known for its mesmerizing sculptures. Apart from its religious significance, Bhubaneswar offers a plethora of museums, art galleries, and cultural centers that showcase the state's rich history and traditional art forms. For travelers seeking retail therapy, the city's bustling markets and shopping malls offer a wide range of handicrafts, textiles, and traditional Odia delicacies. Bhubaneswar's well-planned streets, gardens, and parks create a pleasant urban environment for both locals and visitors. The city's warm hospitality, delectable cuisine, and harmonious blend of tradition and modernity make it an inviting destination for travelers exploring the cultural heart of Odisha.
Number 2. Konark, located in the Puri district of Odisha, is a captivating historical site famous for the Sun Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Sun Temple, built in the 13th century, is an architectural marvel and a symbol of India's rich cultural heritage. The temple is dedicated to the sun god and designed in the shape of a colossal chariot adorned with intricate stone carvings depicting mythological stories, celestial beings, and scenes from daily life. Apart from the Sun Temple, Konark offers a serene beach with golden sands and rolling waves, making it an ideal spot to relax and witness stunning sunrises and sunsets. Visitors can also explore the archaeological museum nearby, which houses various sculptures and artifacts excavated from the temple complex. Konark Dance Festival, held annually in December, is a major cultural event that showcases classical and folk dances from all over India, adding to the city's charm. For travelers interested in history, art, and spirituality, Konark is a must-visit destination that promises a captivating journey through time and culture.
Number 1. Puri, located on the eastern coast of Odisha, is a renowned pilgrimage destination and a popular beach resort town. It is best known for the famous Jagannath Temple, one of the 4 holiest Hindu temples dedicated to Lord Jagannath, his sibling deities, and the annual Rath Yatra festival. The Rath Yatra, or Chariot Festival, attracts millions of devotees and tourists from across the globe, as massive chariots carrying the deities are pulled through the streets with great enthusiasm and religious fervor. Apart from its spiritual significance, Puri offers a beautiful coastline with golden sandy beaches and rolling waves, making it a perfect beach destination for relaxation and water activities. The town's bustling markets, filled with colorful handicrafts, traditional textiles, and mouth-watering street food, offer a vibrant shopping experience. Puri's cultural richness, religious importance, and scenic beauty make it a must-visit destination that provides travelers with a unique blend of spirituality, history, and coastal charm. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon. Press the like button and share.